And as you know, Dunmore East is a pretty famous fishing harbour, and it's also famous for Alfie and Kat's EastEnders spin-off. What was it called? Redwater, I think. It didn't do too well, but enough said about that. But those EastEnders fans, you'll know what I'm on about. But here is a new section just by the harbour and the lighthouse. I think it's been done up in the last maybe 2 or 3 years, but it's well worth checking out for the views. And I'm just walking now towards the lighthouse at the edge of the harbour. If you look out to the sea, I think that might be an old lifeguard station up there, that white building. There's a lot of gulls around. I think they might be nesting, so I dare not fly out that way later, just in case I get attacked. And looks as if there's a fishing boat coming in. There's Hook Lighthouse as well on the horizon, far away you can see. And we just continue our walk to the lighthouse at the other end. So I'll speed it up a bit for your benefit right now. And we've made it to the far point now, right under the shadow of the lighthouse, as you can see there, with the sun blinding me, but we're a couple of hours in sunset anyway. You know I do most of these vlogs in the evening because I love the gorgeous evening light. So it looks like it's had a fresh lick of paint, so they do take care of things over here. And here's a view into Dunmore East Harbour, where you can charter boats for various fishing chips, or rather for various fishing trips, and possibly private tours as well. If you actually look to the top of the lighthouse, they've painted a couple of the mobile cell masts red so as to blend in with the background. So that's an ingenious idea, I think anyway. And there's still more. If you just walk past the lighthouse, you can see the entrance to the harbour. There's a ship coming in there. A bit of fishing going on too on those rocks. I think the evening time is probably the best for the sea anglers to come out. These fishing boats are actually larger than I envisaged. And just next to the harbour you'll find this newly established place called the East Pier. I think it opened last year, and it's meant to be a damn good fish and chip shop. So at the moment they're just doing takeaways because of the pandemic and that. So I bought some and I'm going to try it out and give you my review of it shortly. Check that out, fish and chips with my name on it. And so this is it. You saw it had my name on the box. I'll show you what it looks like on the inside. A little bit smaller than what you got at the Salty Chipper in Kilmore Quay, but I hope it won't disappoint that it has the quality. I'm going to try it out and give you my opinion on it shortly. The only thing is that they don't sell curry sauce here, so I love my curry sauce and fish and chips, but I'm going to let them off and see how it goes. Now here's a closer look at what you're getting here, and it only costs £9.50, so quality over quantity, I hope.